Imagine downloading a trusted open source tool and handing hackers the keys to your system without even knowing it, because that's exactly what happened this week. And it's a perfect example of why digital sovereignty isn't optional anymore.
So here's what went down. Hackers managed to compromise the official JDownloader website, not a sketchy mirror, not a random forum link, the actual site. And they quietly swapped out the legitimate installers with malware-laced versions. If you downloaded the Windows or Linux builds from their so-called alternative downloads page starting May 6th, you might have unknowingly installed something you did not sign up for. And that's the part that gets me. This wasn't some shady torrent. This wasn't a fake ad. This was a trusted open source project, the kind people rely on specifically because they don't trust big tech. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Open source doesn't automatically mean safe. If the distribution channel gets compromised, the whole trust model collapses. This incident hits right at the heart of what we talk about on this channel. Digital sovereignty isn't just about ditching cloud services or escaping corporate lock-in. It's about knowing where your software comes from, who controls the pipeline, and what happens when that chain breaks. Because when a website gets compromised, even for a few hours, the damage can last years. Keyloggers, backdoors, credential theft, system persistence, network scanning. Once malware gets in, it doesn't politely uninstall itself when the website gets fixed. And here's the kicker. Most people who downloaded the infected installer will never know anything happened. If you grabbed JDownloader from the alternative page after May 6th, run a full malware scan. Check for unusual startup entries. Review your network connections. Change your passwords. And consider restoring from a clean backup if anything looks off. This isn't fear-mongering, it's basic digital hygiene.
This is why personal digital sovereignty matters, because the cloud is evil, not because open source is perfect, but because the moment you stop paying attention, someone else takes control. Stay aware, stay sovereign, and if you want more real world stories like this, not corporate PR, not sanitized tech news, hit that subscribe button and join the movement.